Hey drone technology fans, Bill here. DJI Airworks Conference 2018. What can we expect? We'll have that coming right up. Recently, I've been getting a lot of questions regarding DJI Airworks Conference for 2018 and what it's all about. So what I thought I'd do would be to roll this clip from DJI. So let's go ahead and roll that clip.
It's been a great event.
It's just a more homey environment, much more welcoming.
The message, the overall cohesiveness of everyone that's involved is really powerful.
I'm very happy that we came here.
Talking to people and seeing what they use in the field has been the best part for me.
It's been really great to have the combination of the talks that are here and then also the traffic that's floating through the booths.
That's been really great so far.
I've seen a lot of neat things in terms of the payload developments.
Everyone big in the industry seems to be somewhere in this room.
It's been a lot of one-on-one contact, which is nice.
The audience has been engaged and definitely see the interest growing.
You can see this is going to be a fantastic opportunity for businesses to engage with DJI. Some of the businesses that are DJI enterprise customers it would revolve around would be agriculture, utilities, chemical plants, construction, surveying, and first responders, to name a few. It's going to be a wonderful opportunity to sit down, to get into some seminars, to get into some workshops, and it will be especially meaningful for those in those industries to go back and to be able to share their experience. And one of the best things about going to something like this, I've always gone whenever I've gone to an event like this, is the networking opportunities. It's fantastic. It's going to be held down in Dallas, Texas. It's going to be from October 30th to November the 1st. Of course, at a DJI event, what would it be? We're talking about drones, okay? So are we going to see anything there? Of course we're going to see something there. The first thing that I wanted to talk about would be the Mavic 2 Enterprise. Now, I recently did a video on that, but one of the things that DJI likes to do is put out a teaser. And they put out a teaser called For the Frontiers, and it's kind of dark and shady and all that kind of good stuff. But it's been lightened up, and some people have shown, and it looks like what you're going to be seeing will be the searchlights that will be able to be mounted on top of the Mavic 2 Enterprise. And as you've known, I've already shown pictures, and I'll put them up again, the Mavic 2 Enterprise with a speaker and with what appears to be a strobe light. So there'll be some great options for that. And that's going to be an excellent tool for first responders. You know, in hostage negotiation situations, to try to do some search and rescue. It's limitless with what the capabilities of that and what it can do. Now, the other drone that they've already talked about, and it's already officially come out, is the Phantom 4 RTK. Now, this is going to be geared for construction and surveying. And I found it very interesting when I was doing a search to get a picture of it. It came up on B&H's website. This is not an inexpensive drone here, folks. $7,500. I thought I'd go ahead and throw that up there. So this is going to be a fantastic opportunity, like I said, for those in these industries to be able to network, to share ideas, to get new ones, and to be able to find the latest in technology. There'll be a number of vendors there at this place. Question of the day: do you think that DJI Enterprise will have any surprises at the Airworks conference? Let me know in the comments section below. If you like the content from today's video, please make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and tell others about the channel. Also, be sure to check out my Facebook page, where I do post daily updates regarding the drone and drone industry and anything DJI, Autel, or Parrot related. Also, be sure to check out my Twitter account, where I do post daily updates, and Instagram as well. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, it's a great day to fly.